Hi everybody, Mischa here with the word of the day, and there it is, bamboozle. What does it mean to bamboozle somebody? You lie to them, you deceive them, you cheat them, you take their money away from them through deceptive means, you con them. And interestingly enough, bamboozle was in common use for a long time among the criminal classes. It was criminal jargon before it showed up in print at the beginning of the 18th century when it showed up in a play by Colley Cibber. Now, Colley Cibber is the first of the great actor-managers during the Restoration period in England, and he was wildly successful for decades, which really annoyed the giants of the literary scene at the time. If you've ever read Alexander Pope's The Dunciad, The King of the Dunces, that's Colley Cibber. Even Gulliver's Travel, Jonathan Swift, the guy who wrote Gulliver's Travels, he got in on it too over this word, bamboozle, in an article called, the continual corruption of our English language. So here's what I say. Let's get in on the corruption. How do you use this word, bamboozle? Well, you could say, my uncle was bamboozled into buying a timeshare. Perfect. Or you could also say, trying to bamboozle your teacher by saying that your dog ate your homework, it doesn't really work anymore. Anyway, go out and use that word, and also please like and share this video to anybody who you think might like it.